Phoebe's English Corner.
Vocabulary at the hotel.
Book. Book. Definition: to arrange to have something for a particular time. Example: I need to book a room for tonight. Room. Room. Definition: a part of a building with walls and a door. Example: this is a nice room. Hotel. Hotel. Definition: a building where you pay to sleep in a room. Example: we stayed at a nice hotel last night. Stay. Stay. Definition: to live in a place for a short time. Example: we will stay at the hotel for a week. Date. Date. Definition: a specific day, month, and year. Example: today's date is Friday, May 31, 2024. Smoke-free. Smoke-free. Definition: used to describe an area where people are not allowed to smoke. Example: this is a smoke-free restaurant. Pay. Pay. Definition: to give money to someone for something. Example: we will pay for the room at checkout. Bill. Bill. Definition: a piece of paper that shows how much you owe for something. Example: the waiter brought our bill. Key. Key. Definition: a metal object that you use to open a door or lock. Example: the receptionist gave us our room key. Clean. Clean. Definition: to remove dirt or marks from something. Example: can you please clean the room? Parking lot. Parking lot. Definition: an area where you can leave a car for a period of time. Example: the hotel has a large parking lot. Taxi. Taxi. Definition: a car with a driver that you can pay to take you somewhere. Example: we took a taxi to the hotel. Gym. Gym. Definition: a place to exercise using machines, weights, and other equipment. Example: the hotel gym is open 24 hours. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Definition: an artificial area of water for swimming. Example: the hotel has a heated swimming pool. Breakfast. Breakfast. Definition: the first meal of the day. Example: breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Restaurant. Restaurant. Definition: a place where you can pay to eat a meal. Example: the hotel restaurant serves Italian food. Meal. Meal. Definition: the food that you eat at a particular time of day, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Example: I would like to order a meal. Menu. Menu. Definition: a list of food and drinks that you can order in a restaurant. Example: can I see the menu, please? Wake-up call. Wake-up call. Definition: a phone call from the hotel to wake you up at a specific time. Example: can I please request a wake-up call for 7 o'clock a.m.? Front desk. Front desk. Definition: the area in a hotel where you check in and out. Example: you can find the receptionist at the front desk. Sample conversation.
Hi, good morning. We'd like to book a room here.
Good morning. Welcome to Seaside Hotel. How many people will be staying?
Just two, me and my girlfriend.
And how long would you like to stay with us?
We'd like to stay for 4 days and 3 nights.
Let me check our availability for your dates. We have 2 options available.
Oh, great. What are those?
We have a double room with a garden view and another one with a sea view.
Oh, I would love a room with a sea view.
Are there any differences between the rooms besides the view?
Well, the garden view is bigger with a king-sized bed. The sea view room comes with a queen-sized bed, so it's a bit smaller.
So, the garden view room is more expensive?
No, they are at the same price.
Well, honey, I think we should take the bigger room.
But I want to see the sea.
You can go to the beach later, you know?
May I know if either of you smoke?
Yes, I do. What's the matter?
Well, in that case, I suggest you take the room with the sea view.
Why's that?
All of our rooms are smoke-free. However, the room with the sea view comes with a balcony where you can smoke.
Oh, that's actually nice.
See, honey, let's take that room. I don't mind if our room is a bit small.
It's only smaller than the one with a garden view, but it's still very spacious.
Great. So, we'd like to book it for 4 days and 3 nights, please.
Absolutely. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. So, Mr. Neville, you'd like to book a double room with a sea view for 4 days and 3 nights, correct?
Yes, it is correct.
A double room with a sea view for 4 days and 3 nights would be $150 with tax included. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please. And could you send me the bill to this email?
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you.
So, your room is 608. Here's your room's key. Rooms are cleaned daily unless you ask otherwise.
Thank you.
Would you like to park your car in our parking lot?
Thanks, but we took a taxi here.
I see. Would you need help with your luggage?
Thank you, but we can handle them ourselves. Anyway, may we know if there is a gym here?
Absolutely. There is a gym and a swimming pool on the 10th floor. They're free for hotel guests.
That sounds great. We'll definitely check them out.
Breakfast is included in your stay and is served from 7 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. in the restaurant on the 8th floor.
Perfect. We're always starving in the mornings.
But honey, I'd rather have meals in our room.
No worries. You could our 24-hour room service. You could find the menu in your room.
Awesome. And do offer wake-up call service?
Yes, we do. Please tell me when you want us to wake you up.
I will think about it and tell you later.
Definitely. If you need anything, feel free to use the phone in your room or stop by the front desk. We're always happy to help.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Vocabulary. Check out. Check out. Definition: to leave a hotel and pay your bill. Example: we need to check out by noon. Reservation. Reservation. Definition: an arrangement to have something, such as a room in a hotel, kept for you for a particular time. Example: I made a reservation for 2 nights. Policy. Policy. Definition: a rule or set of rules that a place has. Example: do you know the hotel's policy on pets? Receptionist. Receptionist. Definition: a person who works in a place such as a hotel, office, or hospital, who welcomes and helps visitors and answers the phone. Example: the receptionist greeted us warmly. Experience. Experience. Definition: something that happens to you that you learn from or remember. Example: I had a great experience staying at this hotel. Disappointed. Disappointed. Definition: feeling sad or unhappy because something is not as good as you had hoped. Example: we were disappointed with the service. Guest. Guest. Definition: a person who is staying in a hotel. Example: we would like to remind all our guests to leave their keys at reception before they depart. Charge. Charge. Definition: the amount of money that you have to pay for something. Example: what is the charge for this room? Offer. Offer. Definition: something that someone suggests you can have. Example: do you have any offers on rooms this weekend? Accommodation. Accommodation. Definition: a place to stay, especially when you're traveling. Example: we need to find some accommodation for our trip. Sample conversation.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, Miss Jones. Are you checking out today? Your reservation wasn't due to end until tomorrow.
Unfortunately, yes. I won't be able to stay the full time.
I'm sorry to hear that. Was everything all right with your stay?
Well, not exactly. I could barely sleep last night.
Oh, how terrible. May I know why?
Last night, there was a lot of noise coming from the room next door.
That's odd, because we do have a quiet hours policy in effect after 10 p.m.
It sounded like a party, and it went on quite late.
Oh, I apologize for the inconvenience. Did you try contacting the front desk about the noise?
I did call around midnight, but no one picked up.
I'm so sorry for that. Usually, receptionists are available 24/7.
It seems last night was unusual, huh?
I understand your frustration, Ms. Jones. That's certainly not the kind of experience we want our guests to have.
But to be honest, it wasn't just the party.
Oh, may I know what else bothered you?
Earlier in the day, there were construction workers hammering away in the hallway for hours.
Oh dear, that must have come from the renovation area. Mrs. Jones, I completely understand why you're disappointed.
I'm more than disappointed.
We did try to keep the noise to a minimum to not disrupt our guests.
Even a minimum of noise disruption isn't exactly what I was hoping for during my stay here.
I know, Mrs. Jones.
I specifically booked this hotel because it advertised itself as a quiet retreat.
I see how that would be frustrating. Let me see what I can do to correct this situation.
Well, I don't think there is any way.
I can waive the charge for tonight and offer you an upgrade on your next visit.
Honestly, what I need is a quiet place to sleep right now, not an upgrade on my next visit.
We value you, Mrs. Jones, and we sincerely apologize for the disruption to your stay.
I appreciate the offer, but I'm afraid the damage is done.
Would you be willing to give us another chance in the future?
I'll consider it, but for now, I need to find a quieter accommodation.
Completely understandable. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience.
I see. I have to go now.
Have a safe trip, Mrs. Jones.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more English lesson videos. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.